Everyone wants to grow their money, but investing can feel scary, especially if you're starting small. Don't worry, smart investing can help you reach your financial goals, no matter your starting point. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This system helps you create a clear and effective investment plan. With a SMART plan, you'll make better decisions and see real results. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making your money work for you over time. With patience and discipline, anyone can build wealth through smart investing. So let's dive in and learn how to make smart investing work for you. Investing can feel like navigating an obstacle course. Just like in a physical obstacle course, you need to be prepared, stay focused, and have a strategy to succeed. The path is filled with twists and turns, and every decision can lead you closer to your goal or set you back. There are many pitfalls that can trip you up along the way. Market volatility, economic downturns, and unexpected financial needs can all create obstacles. It's easy to get discouraged when things don't go as planned. One of the biggest challenges is fear. Fear of losing money, fear of making the wrong choices, fear of the unknown. This fear can paralyze you, making it difficult to take action. It's important to recognize these fears and address them head-on. Another hurdle is lack of knowledge. The world of investing has its own language and can feel overwhelming for beginners. Terms like dividends, capital gains, and asset allocation can be confusing. Without a solid understanding, it's easy to make mistakes. It's easy to get lost in jargon and complex strategies. Many new investors feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information available. This can lead to analysis paralysis, where you spend so much time researching that you never actually make a decision. This is where smart investing comes in. By breaking down your investment goals into smaller, manageable steps, smart investing helps you overcome fear and uncertainty. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach provides a clear roadmap to follow. It provides a clear framework to make informed decisions and stay on track towards your financial objectives. By setting specific goals, you know exactly what you're working towards. Measuring your progress helps you stay motivated. Achievable goals ensure that you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By understanding the challenges and adopting a smart approach, you can navigate the obstacles and reach the finish line successfully. Celebrate your milestones along the way and keep your eyes on the long-term prize. With patience, persistence, and a solid plan, you can achieve your financial goals. Smart investing is like a roadmap, guiding you towards your financial destination. Just like any journey, having a clear plan can make all the difference. Let's break down each component of the SMART framework. Specific. Your goals should be crystal clear and well-defined. Instead of saying I want to invest, say I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house. This clarity helps you focus your efforts. Measurable. You need to track your progress to stay motivated. How much will you invest each month? Keeping a record helps you see how far you've come and what still needs to be done. What return are you aiming for? Knowing this helps you adjust your strategy as needed. Achievable. Your goals should be realistic and attainable. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and frustration. Start small and gradually increase your investments. This approach builds confidence and experience. Relevant. Your investments should align with your overall financial goals and life plans. Are you saving for retirement, a child's education, or a dream vacation? Each goal requires a different strategy. Time-bound. Set a deadline for your goals to create a sense of urgency. This creates urgency and helps you stay focused. Deadlines turn dreams into actionable plans. By applying these principles, you'll create a tailored investment plan that maximizes your chances of success. With a clear roadmap, your financial journey becomes more manageable and rewarding. Start today and watch your investments grow. Sarah, a young professional, dreamt of owning her own home. She often found herself browsing through house listings, imagining the day she would have a place to call her own. But the thought of saving enough money for a down payment felt overwhelming. The sheer amount seemed insurmountable and she didn't know where to start. Then, she discovered the concept of smart investing. By breaking down her goal into manageable steps, she realized it was more achievable than she initially thought. Sarah set a clear target: to save $30,000 for a down payment within 5 years. This gave her a concrete figure to work towards. She calculated that she needed to save $500 per month to reach her goal. This monthly target made the larger goal seem less daunting. To make this possible, Sarah cut back on unnecessary expenses. She scrutinized her spending habits and identified areas where she could save. Additionally, she picked up a side hustle to boost her savings. By selling handmade items online and taking on freelance work, she increased her income. Sarah also educated herself on investments. She chose a low-cost index fund that aligned with her long-term financial goals, ensuring her money worked for her. She set a 5-year deadline, creating a sense of urgency and keeping herself motivated. This timeline helped her stay focused and disciplined. By consistently investing and staying the course, Sarah watched her savings grow. Each milestone she reached brought her closer to her dream. Her story illustrates the power of smart investing and turning dreams into reality. Through careful planning and determination, Sarah transformed her vision into a secure future. Before investing your hard-earned money, invest in yourself. Learn the basics of investing and understand different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. There are countless resources available online and offline. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites and blogs. Remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset in the investing world. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If something seems unclear, seek clarification from a financial advisor or someone you trust with financial expertise. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in making sound investment decisions. Remember, investing in your financial education is an investment that pays off dividends throughout your life. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich overnight. The magic of compounding, where your returns generate even more returns over time, requires patience and a long-term perspective. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. The stock market goes up and down in the short term, but over the long term, it has historically trended upwards. Stay calm during periods of volatility and stick to your plan. Remember, time is your greatest ally in investing. By staying invested and letting your money grow over time, you're more likely to achieve your financial goals. Smart investing empowers you to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you create a roadmap for success. Remember to invest in your financial literacy, be patient, and stay disciplined. Avoid emotional decisions and focus on the long term. With a smart approach, you can navigate the complexities of investing and achieve your financial dreams. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow over time. The power to create a secure and fulfilling financial future is in your hands.